Hello and welcome to How to Play Double Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Double Solitaire. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need 2 52 card decks with different card backs if possible. Each player will start with 1 deck of cards. A layout is created by placing 7 cards in a row with the first card face up and the other 6 cards face down. Then a second card is placed on top of the face down cards, with the first card placed being face up and the rest face down. This is repeated until each pile has 1 face up card. The remaining deck is placed down and will be used as a draw deck. The object of the game is to be the first player to get all your cards into the middle foundation piles. The foundation piles are started with the aces and built up to the kings. There can be 8 foundation piles, 2 for each suit. On a player's turn, they can move cards within their layout or 2 foundation piles. Player 2 starts their turn by moving an ace to the middle to start the hearts foundation pile. If there is an empty space in the layout, it can be filled by a king. Cards can be built in the layout in descending order with opposite color cards on top of each other. Player 2 cannot make any more moves. A player will end their turn by flipping up 1 card from their draw deck. The flipped up card starts a discard pile for the player. Play moves to player 1, who will start their turn by moving the black 7 to the top of the red 8. The face down card exposed can be flipped up. A stack of cards can be moved together when possible. Player 1 moves the red 8 and black 7 to the black 9. The empty space is filled with the king of spades. The face down card is flipped up and the black 3 is moved to the red 4. The face down card is flipped up. Player 1 cannot make any more moves and flips up a card from their deck to end their turn. Play moves back to player 2, who cannot make any moves and flips up another card from their draw deck. Play moves back to player 1. Players will continue to take turns making moves. The first player to get all their cards into the middle foundation piles wins the game. Player 2 wins this game. A player can play on any of the 8 foundation piles. A player can play the top card of their discard pile to the layout or foundation piles. When a player's draw deck runs out, they will flip over their discard pile to use as their draw deck. If both players cannot make any more moves, the game ends. The player with the most cards in the foundation piles wins the game. That wraps up How to Play Double Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!